Got one. Oh! Oh! Yeah, baby! Oh! Got another one, got another one. Ooh. My uncle just caught a German brown trout. It's hella beautiful. Here's the creel, his creel. Look at that German brown. It's huge. Size of my whole arm. Big dog. Good morning. Ambition for fishing. How y'all doing? It's been a while. You could basically say I've been in hibernation from making these videos. Ooh. Just been working a lot. Been riding the Harleys a lot. You guys don't even know that. I made one Harley Davidson fishing video, but never got around to posting it. But I'm gonna post it. Don't have that Harley Davidson anymore. Got a new one, but you guys will be seeing it soon. I'm about to make some Harley Davidson fishing videos and shit, because the last one was really fun. But just been really busy with this new job. Got a new career and stuff. We're out here today, gonna be doing some trout fishing. Got my little nephew's fishing pole. Mine broke. Some unfortunate events happened, you could say, but we're out here. We're gonna get on it. See you there. Yo, we out here traveling through the woods. Which way? That way or down low? Up top?
I'd go low if I could, but I don't know.
I guess we'll try low first. Oh, we got some nice blackberries right here. Damn. Who knows what nature will provide next. So today I'm gonna be showing you a new method, a method that everybody should know. Definitely if you got kids, you're gonna catch fish basically every time, no matter where you're at. And that's with this worm threader. Everyone should get one of these worm threaders. Like I said, broke my fishing pole. I got my little nephew's fishing pole. This is a $15, $20 Ozark Trails fishing pole at Walmart. And then get you some night crawlers. Walmart. This is a Walmart trip. Easy money. You're gonna get your worm threader, right? On the end of each worm threader, on the tip, right here, there's a hole on it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna thread the worm through the needle, head first, poke it through. I'll show you in a second. Thread it through, and then you're gonna get your hook and place your hook right here. Stick the hook tip right in the hole of the needle, and then that way you'll be able to thread the worm on perfectly. I'll demonstrate it right now. Yes, sir. So we got our worms right here. They're looking a little asleep. Oop, they're awake. Wake on up now, wormies. That's a big old fat chunker. So we're gonna take this big old chunker right here, big old wormy. And like I said, you're gonna wanna shish kebab this guy. Just poke him right in the middle, and then thread it straight through him. Just like that, right? So he's on there. And then right here, you're gonna put your hook. So see my hook right there? You're gonna put it right on the tip of that. And very important, you're gonna wanna hold this line tight like that. and then you're just gonna thread them right on. And this is very important because the presentation of the worm is very important to the fish if you want to be successful. This is the difference between fishing and catching. And then, bam, right there, perfect, beautiful presentation. We're gonna cast that puppy out. Worm threader, wonderful tool. Get a little, clean your hands a little bit. And then now you're gonna go ahead and cast them. You're gonna have a little split shot weight. All you need is a split shot, hook, worm, fishing pole, and the ambition for fishing. That's it, folks. I'll see you in 1 second. So, another bit of information I'm gonna teach you guys. Another important, maybe well overlooked piece of information is it's important to know where you're fishing at. Obviously, it's important to, know where you're fishing at, but that's not what I'm talking about necessarily. I'm speaking about reading the water. For example, you can see up there, it's moving very fast. It's white rapids. Right here, it's moving a little bit smoother. Right here, it's kind of stopped almost. And, well, depending on what lure or what bait, really depends on the way the water's moving and exactly, specifically, what spot on the water you're fishing at. So with a very still bait like a worm, you'd probably want to fish in something very still like this, like not moving even. But like this right here, a little bit faster, probably probably a lure, a spinner, but some type of lure usually. Or even another great thing is even if you had a fly rod and you're fishing with a dry fly or a nymph, a little bit moving water like this is very good. So I'm out here fishing with my Uncle Mark. You guys have seen him before. So what I was talking about earlier with the water going really fast and picking a spot, see how it goes from nice and decently fast to completely calm and peaceful? That's probably, this is gonna be our best bet when we're just bait fishing. Probably behind that big rock right there, or that one. Wait and see. There we go. You see that worm right in his mouth. Big old rainbow trout right there, folks.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. See, I told you, right in that calm water. Damn, I didn't get it on video though. We were sitting over here. I started blowing on the lucky fish whistle. And shoo! Sun's almost coming up. Beautiful morning, beautiful morning. We're over here on this little gold mining ridge type of deal right here. Get that hook out of his mouth. Yes,
Got
sir.
it. Fucking man.
You should have seen the hook set. Sick. Let's go see how my line's doing. All right, guys, we're gonna switch it up to my other favorite bait for trout, and this is the rainbow Rapala trout. Got one. Oh! Oh! Yeah, baby! Oh, he's a fucking big one! Oh, he's hella big! Oh, he's hella big and nice! Oh, I almost just ate shit! Oh, no! Oh! Oh, come on, don't snap on me! Don't fucking snap on me! Oh, shit! Oh, shit, 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 shit! Oh, shit, shit, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit, 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 shit! Oh, yeah, baby! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, the baby. Yo, you guys, look at how beautiful that fish is. Woo! All right, looks pretty good to me. You guys see this thing? Beautiful rainbow trout. Wow. I told you right on that rainbow trout lure, they eat their babies. Big old mama right here. All right, now I gotta go. All right, new fresh worm. He's geeking, he's geeking. First cast, let's see what we can do. All right, cast number dos. There we go. Oh, I got one. Oh, oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh, he's taking me under the, no, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. All right, ready? I'm gonna jump him in. Yeah. Boom, flip that motherfucker. Good job.
Boom, yeah.
Hell yeah. Up top. Woo! Let's check him out. Right on the tip of the mouth. That was the second cast with that worm. Told you folks, sometimes the worm just does it really quick, really good. Got some beautiful rainbow trout. Yeehaw, brother. Yes, sir. Nice rainbow trout. Look, my uncle just caught a German brown trout. It's hella beautiful. Here's the creel, his creel. Look at that German brown. It's huge. Size of my whole arm. Big dog. Big dog. It's a beautiful fish. Boom, baby. Oh, got another one, got another one. Ooh, yeah, little guy, little guy. Look at that fish, guys. That is a beautiful rainbow trout. But he's a small guy. Look, we got him hooked right at the tip of the mouth. We're gonna, ay, a fucking hook. See, he's a little guy. And he's off, catch and release. He's a small guy. Wow. Mark's, oh, yanked it right out of his mouth. Oh yeah, got another one. Ooh, baby. Ooh yeah. You see him coming in. Oh yeah. Come on, doggy. Woo. Oh, motherfucker. Got him. Look at that hook set right on the bottom of the lip. Look at that beautiful rainbow trout. Oh, you motherfucker, no! Oh, no! That's called a good hook set right there. Look at that hook set. Right on the lip. Beautiful rainbow trout. Oh, stop moving there, buddy. Yeehaw! What up, guys? So just got done cleaning my fish. Mark cleaned most of my fish. But don't ever forget, if you guys harvest any animal, you need to clean them before you head home. That way, but why do you do that?
Because so you can get most of the blood out and they don't taste as fishy.
You want them to taste good pink meat. Ooh. Well, you see how much fish we got? Mark got 3. I got 3. But this is Mark's bag. You see the German brown trout in there. Man, that was a beautiful fish. Big fish. A lot of night crawlers. That's all you need.
And patience.
And patience. At first it was rough. We couldn't catch nothing at first, but being patient, sticking it out. Yes, sir. Get the job done. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Ambition for Fishing. We haven't been on here a lot recently, but we're gonna get back on here more. Stay tuned. Next episode, next week.